Imagine where you could be if you dedicated 2025 to working on your business, not just in it. Now, imagine having a dedicated team to guide you every step of the way. Introducing our Profit Acceleration Coaching Group, a transformative 12-month program designed just for you, the dedicated entrepreneur ready to take your business to new heights. Every month, explore 2 of our 24 exclusive profit acceleration strategies, each one crafted to boost your leads, sales, revenue, and profit. From day 1, you'll have a step-by-step guide to kickstart your journey to higher profits. Join in-depth, 2-hour bi-weekly implementation sessions alongside a cohort of like-minded business owners, all guided by an expert coach and strategist. Plus, enjoy continuous support through email and text communication throughout the year. With resources like our interactive video textbook, comprehensive PowerPoints, and quizzes, you'll cement your understanding and move from learning to earning. Implement key strategies seamlessly with access to our proprietary profit acceleration software, transforming lessons into actionable leads, sales, revenue, and sustained profits. As a group member, unlock admission to our full online learning academy, including a 52-week virtual MBA program, financial training for business owners, and a media library filled with ads and scripts to enhance your business acumen. Most importantly, gain the invaluable support of driven business owners just like you, all striving for shared success. Experience the power of group coaching. This is a high-quality business strategy and training program delivering tremendous value without the 4-figure-a-month price tag of individual coaching. Let's start your journey today. Join our 2025 group for just $399 a month or save 17% by paying the full tuition at sign-up for $4,000. If you need more information about what partnering with a business strategist can do for your business, take advantage of my free report, 5 Things to Consider When Choosing a Business Strategist. Step into a brighter, more profitable future. Join our Profit Acceleration Coaching Group and revolutionize your business journey in 2025.